Hi there, I'm Paulina from Cuts and SVG. Welcome to my studio. This morning when I was driving to work, I got hit by this idea and I'm in a rush to share it with you as it's really exciting. For the next 30 days, I'm going to make one Christmas ornament per day from scratch. The goal is to share my whole creative process with you from the first idea to the final product, and hopefully this will inspire you along the way. By the end of this challenge, I will have 30 unique Christmas ornaments ready for the holiday season, and you will get to see the whole process day by day. If you love Christmas crafts, laser cutting, do-it-yourself projects, make sure to follow along. So bear with me, today is 2nd of October, let's get started. I think I'll start the challenge with something new, something that I've been thinking about for a long time, and this is kids ornaments. And I'm thinking of unicorns, mermaids, dinos, things like that. So let's start with mermaids. The ornament is painted and ready, so the last thing we need to do is to make pictures. Let's do it.